Intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, Glamazons? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be unboxing 2 Boxyluxe boxes for the month of December and comparing them, seeing if I got any duplicates or just seeing which box is better and just what I got for my Boxyluxes this month. So if you're interested in seeing that, keep on watching and let's get right into it. So this month's theme is bubbles and glitz. All right, so let's get right into her. So the first product, let me find it, is this iconic London Blaze Chaser face palette. So it says an ultra versatile face palette featuring 6 shades of butter smooth velvety powders that complement all skin tones. This convenient palette contains shades for sculpting and bronzing to add natural looking warmth and definition, blush shades that lift the face and give you that must-have lit from within glow, and highlight shades for a flattering candlelit radiance. So this retails for $55, and here is what it looks like. I get really frustrated with these face palettes that they include because the highlight shades are never light enough for me. Like the blushes and the bronzers will be good, but it's like, what's the point of using a palette when I know the highlight shades, which, you know, basically 2, 3, almost half of the palette isn't gonna work for me. So I will be including this in a giveaway. So next, one of my all-time favorite skincare products is the Sunday Riley Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment. So this multitasking targeted lactic acid treatment rapidly exfoliates and boosts naturally youthful radiance while visibly reducing the look of lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. I have never seen better results than I have when I use this product. It gets rid of all like the dead skin and just gives my skin like this beautiful natural glow. So this retails for $85, and I know it's expensive, but this baby's worth it. All right, so next we have this Hip Dot Cenote Pressed Eyeshadow Palette. So it says, unleash your inner goddess through the alluring blues and gleaming golds of cenote. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Our homage to the sacred underground pools of Mexico where the Mayans believed they could speak directly to the gods. Oh, that's pretty cool. So this retails for $30. Ooh. That is really pretty. I'm usually not super impressed with the eyeshadow palettes they include, but I am really liking the color scheme of this. And let me swatch it and see how, ooh. Let me swatch a couple here. Ah. Yeah, they're definitely pigmented. So this is a palette I will be keeping. All right, next we have this Luxie Glitter and Gold brush set. So it says, offering a complete range of brushes for foundation, contouring, highlighting, and blending, this set has all you need to create perfect holiday looks. So this fabulous set comes tucked inside a durable, easy to clean, festive red brush pouch. So this retails for $85, and it is a Boxy exclusive. So it does have a nice little pouch here. Oh, it smells kind of weird though. So here is what we got. I do love me some Luxie brushes. So I might be keeping this set. I think that's really pretty. So next, I want to say this was something I chose. By the time I got to the products to choose, there wasn't much left. So this is the Beauty Co. the Original Glam Smile Kit. So OG Smile Kit whitens and brightens your smile in 15 minutes from binge watching. Okay, anyways. So, all right. I know my teeth definitely need to be whitened, so I'm excited to try this. And it retails for $89. Damn. All right. Next we have this $1 billion beauty charcoal beauty sponge. So this charcoal infused beauty sponge provides the perfect application. Well, we know what a beauty sponge is. So it retails for $15. And here is what it looks like. I like how they have the little logo imprinted in it. And it feels and looks just like a beauty blender. So hopefully it works the same as it. Okay. All right, next we have, I saw these in an unboxing. I'm not that excited about them, but it is the Rockins Cosmetic Hot Mess Threesome Glitter Gel Pens. So get in a hot mess with Rockins Maxi Glitter Gel Pen Threesome. Choose from one of these 3 intense shades. So we have Viridian Green, Midnight Blue, or Beatnik Black. Not colors that I would normally gravitate towards, but here is what they look like. Maybe the blue or the green. I don't think I'm going to swatch them. I'll probably put these in a giveaway, but they retail for $40. And the last product is, okay, we have the Lifestyle Co. 100% Natural Calming Temple Rub. What's more relaxing than lavender? This temple rub, of course. The super blend of oils can help assist in relieving headaches, stress, and anxiety. Well, that's something I definitely need help with, so okay, this retails for $24. And my box variation is some long ass weird number. Can you see that? It's C2012403-LX. So the total retail value for this Boxyluxe is $423. All right, let's move on to Boxyluxe number 2. Man. So the first product is another one of these iconic London Blaze Chaser face palettes. And then next we have another Sunday Riley Good Genes lactic acid treatment. And then once again we have a Hip Dot Cenote eyeshadow palette. So obviously all these duplicates will be going in for a giveaway. And another Luxie Glitter and Gold brush set. Finally, something that's not a duplicate. And this was something I did choose. So these are Zaxi by Stephanie Taylor Cushion Cut CZ Halo Stud Earrings. So these retail for $36. They're really pretty. And next we have, why is it so dirty? This Avant Skincare Intensive Redensifying Glycolic Acid Day Moisturizer. So the ideal remedy against time, this day moisturizer aims to offer a complete response to signs of skin slacking. A revolutionary formula with rich texture combines glycolic acid and mica to correct the effects of epidermal aging and improve skin density, luminosity, and volume. So this retails for $123. Really? Really? If you say so. All right. And once again, these Rockin' Cosmetics Hot Mess Threesome Glitter Gel Pens. Okay, so the last product I got is this Reza Be Obsessed Love My Leave-In. So formulated with the gold infused shield, this leave-in features 7 mystic ingredients: champagne for high shine, crushed diamonds for brilliance, rose of Jericho to nourish, pea protein for strength, king coconut oil to fortify, black truffle oil to moisturize, and strawberry seed extract as an antioxidant. So this retails for $22. I'm really disappointed because this box was almost entirely a duplicate of the first one. And another reason I'm disappointed was because I was really hoping for the Glamnetic magnetic lashes and eyeliner, because if you guys don't know, I love my magnetic lashes and I was really wanting to try those and I did not get them. Despite that, this box retails for $476. So I was going to include those products for a giveaway at a later date, but since it is the holiday season, I'm just going to do a little giveaway here right now since I did get so many duplicates. So I'm going to include this Luxie Golden Glitter brush set. I'm going to include this iconic London Blaze Chaser face palette. I'm going to include this Hip Dot Cenote Pressed Eyeshadow Palette. These Rockin's Hot Mess Threesome Glitter Gel Pens. And this Sunday Riley Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment. So to be entered into the giveaway, you must be subscribed to my channel. Leave a comment down below letting me know which product out of the giveaway you're most excited to try if you win. And follow me on IG. My handle is @NatRoseMusic2makeup and tag one of your friends in any one of my pictures. I will leave all the specific details in the description box below, and I'll let this run for 2 weeks. So it'll be, I'll pick the winner right around Christmas time, so it'll be a nice Christmas gift for whoever wins. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I love you. I will see you next time.